Hey guys, Becker here. So today on Coronavirus Music School, I'm going to show you how to very easily go back and forth between numbers of bars and beats per minute and actual time in minutes and seconds. So the upshot, the result that I'm going to show you guys today is that simply by knowing these two numbers, that you can calculate very quickly without a pencil or pad or paper or really any of it to get a rough approximation of how much time you have from X bars at Y tempo. So generally speaking, we're going to be in 4/4, and that the result is that if the number of measures is equal to the tempo in 4/4, you have 4 minutes of music. So let me show you why this is the case. So let's say we have X measures at Y BPM, which is the same thing as beats per minute, right? And that we have Z beats per measure, right? So what we're going to do is that we're going to multiply the X measures times Z beats per measure. So we get the measures and measures to cancel. Now this is going to give us X times Z beats. And then we're going to divide all of that by Y beats per minute. Right? And so now here we get the beats and beats to cancel. And then we're left with this figure XZ divided by Y, and that is in minutes. So if X is equal to Y, if the number of measures equals the tempo, then those cancel, and that is going to imply that we're going to have Z minutes. So for the most part, the music that we play tends to be in 4/4 time. And that we think of the quarter notes, think of the quarter note as the beat. So if you have 4 per minute, you have, and the tempo equals the number of measures, you have 4 minutes. If we're in 3/4, you have 3 minutes. If we're in 5/4, you have 5 minutes. And so it's just that simple that you can just sort of calculate you can calculate just off the top of your head roughly what fraction of 4 minutes you have. And you don't have to sit down at a piece of paper, and you just know. Now, most of the time, we're looking for, if it's a song, we're looking for somewhere between 3 and 4 minutes. And so that you can, roughly gauge that. But, all you have to do is compare these two numbers, the tempo and the number of measures, which are two things that are known if you're in a piece of music. And so if you're writing your own music, you can go back and forth and realize, oh, I've only got 2.5 minutes. I might need some more time. I throw in a bridge, something along those lines. Anywho, so that's what we got for you today on Coronavirus Music School. Thanks for watching.